Hello, I'm Nick Diolius of Consol Energy, and I'm standing here in the Consol Energy Welcome Center at our corporate headquarters, and it's a great place to get a feel for and look back on nearly 150 years of history with regard to Consol Energy, and looking at how this company has led the nation with regard to coal extraction, natural gas extraction, and everything else in between. Examples of that evolution are apparent with regard to our Absolute Zero program, where we view zero exceptions, zero accidents as the only acceptable standard of performance over the long haul. So in some ways, it's ironic that we're here in the Welcome Center today to introduce a new initiative on our Absolute Zero program, but in many ways it's very appropriate as well. The initiative I'm talking about is called Consol TV. And Consol TV is a set of IT infrastructure that will be deployed across the company. By the spring of next year in 2010, all locations across Consol should be up and running with Consol TV. And again, the content is going to be critical with regard to the ultimate success of this effort. So content will be provided two ways. One way content will be provided is through the corporate office and offered up to the individual locations to pick and choose as you see fit with regard to issues ranging from safety, to training, to security, to environment, to regulatory and human resources matters. Basically everything and anything that we would deal with on a regular basis. But content also has to be driven from a different perspective, and that's from the specific locations themselves. Now, what's fair game with regard to Consol TV? Anything and anything that will affect the performance of our safety efforts, the performance on our compliance efforts, and the performance with regard to driving towards continuous improvement. If it hits home with regard to one of those issues, it's worthy of Consol TV. This is a process. The more we work with it and the more we work at it, the better we'll become. And I look forward to seeing the fruits of our efforts with regard to Consol TV, with regard to not just our safety performance, but again, compliance and continuous improvement as well. Thank you.